Verify cos square x cosecant x minus cosecant x is equal to negative sine x. So let's start on the left side. So general rule is to convert everything to sines and cosines. So let's copy the left side first. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the cos square x part, but cosecant x we know is the reciprocal of sine. So I'm going to write that as times 1 over sine x minus 1 over sine x. Alright, so this becomes cos square x over sine x minus 1 over sine x. Now if the denominator is the same, then I can take the common denominator and rewrite. So combining two fractions is easy in that case. The numerator is simply cos square x minus 1. And let me remind you, this is the identity that you want to remember. Even if you are provided this in the formula sheet, you still want to remember that, because that will make that will give sense to a lot of problems. Now 1 minus cos square x is sine square x. So this is actually the opposite of sine square x. So if I want, I could rewrite my numerator this way: negative of 1 minus cos square x. Why do I want to write it this way? Because 1 minus cos square x is sine square x. So now the numerator becomes negative sine square x over sine x. So what do I have in the numerator? I have a negative, but I have two copies of sine, and in the denominator I have only one copy of sine, which means one of the copies will cancel with the denominator, leaving me with just one copy of sine x. And of course I have the negative sign. Now that's the same as what I have on the right side. So we are done.